In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change StreamYard background. Changing your background in StreamYard is a quick way to add polish, protect your privacy, or match the look of your show. Before we begin, keep in mind that virtual backgrounds only work on laptops and desktops. Mobile phones and tablets aren't supported for this feature, so make sure you're on a computer. First, join StreamYard Studio on your computer. Open the broadcast you want to work on, then click Enter Studio in your browser. That will take you into the studio view where you can see your camera feed and the main controls. Once you're in the studio, look for the Settings icon. It's the small gear you'll find in the interface. Click it to open your Settings panel, and then select the Virtual Background tab. This is where you'll make all your background changes. If you want something subtle and fast, turn on the Blur Background option using the toggle. Blur keeps you in focus while softening everything behind you, which is perfect for hiding a messy room or keeping attention on you without introducing a new image. It's simple, clean, and professional. If you prefer a more customized look, you can choose one of StreamYard's built-in images. Click any of the available images, and your background will switch instantly. This is great if you want a polished backdrop without having to prepare your own graphics. Try a few to see what fits your brand or topic. For full control, upload your own background. Click the plus icon to add an image from your computer. You can store up to 30 images, so feel free to keep a small library for different shows, seasons, or guests. High-quality images generally look best, and simple designs with clear contrast help you stand out on camera. After you upload, just click the image you want to use and it will apply right away. If you have a physical green screen behind you, you can enable the green screen option for the cleanest keying. In the Virtual Background tab, check the box that says, I have a green screen. This tells StreamYard to replace the green area with your selected background more precisely. Even lighting and a smooth, well-stretched backdrop will give you the best results. That's it. Join the studio on a computer, open Settings, go to Virtual Background, then Blur, pick a built-in image, or upload your own, and use the green screen option if you have one. With these tools, your StreamYard background will look exactly the way you want,